Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash. Welcome to my channel, and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for 2nd April. So this analysis is for 2nd April only. You'll see me next week again with the analysis for the next week. Okay, I bring videos on daily basis and in advance so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Therefore, please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And hopefully you all are making good money. You are in a good profit right now seeing my videos, because whenever I receive nice comments that you are in a profit right now, you are making profit after a long time, it really encourages me. Thank you so much for all the love and support. So let's jump to the chart. So this is a chart of Euro USD right now, and as you can see right now market is trading at 1.17 market is in this place. Okay, so let me take you to the weekly time frame of Euro USD. So this is the weekly chart. Okay, in the weekly chart you can see that market was flat previously during the early 2020, but after that market has started going up, and right now market is here. Sorry about the drawing. And as you can see, market has formed a hammer kind of a pattern with price rejection from below. Okay, and as you can see here, market has taken support at 1.1710 level. Okay, because there is a line here. Okay, there is a line here which is a support, and 50 moving average has also come to provide the support to the market. As a result as a result market is getting support. Okay, good amount of support right now, because of which market has bounced off from this level. Okay, so important level for Euro USD on the weekly chart is 1.1710. Sorry, 1.1710. Okay, this level is very important in the weekly chart. Okay, so see, this is the overall trend of the market. Overall trend of the market, we can see that market is in downtrend. Okay, market is in downtrend. There is no doubt about it. And this is the present chart of the market. Uh, Sorry, this has changed somehow. Hmm. So one thing is very clear to us, that market is getting support from the support available on the daily chart and from the 50 moving average. Okay, 50 moving average, because therefore this level, okay, this level has become a critical support for the market now. So in and oh, so what should be our strategy? Then as you can see, overall the trend of the market is down. Therefore in a market like this, we should only be looking for selling opportunity. So where we can sell, and where is the area of value? The area of value is always below the resistance, and here in this case we can see that 50 moving average is the resistance. Market is getting resistance from the 50 MA. Therefore our strategy is simple: short the market. Okay, short the market below 50 moving average. And right now you can see that market is already in overbought zone. Okay, and market is almost at the resistance. Okay, so things are quite good, and yes, the opportunity has come to observe the price carefully, because previous candle, you can see that previous candle has given us the signal that yes, price got rejected from above. So once we get another confirmation in the form of a shooting star, or price rejection from above, or a big red candle like this, once we get the confirmation, then okay, once we get a confirmation that yes, 50 moving average is still a valid resistance, we can short the market right away. Okay, because 50 moving average is a resistance, our it's the area of value, risk to reward ratio also matches, and the market also in overbought zone. So all the factors are in our favor. So easily you can short the market just below 50 moving average once you get the confirmation. Okay, right now it's a green candle. Once you get the confirmation that yes, it's about to reverse from there, just sell Euro USD. And do remember, your target will be 1710 or this level, because I have already shown you there is a support available in the weekly chart from the pivot support as well as from the 50 moving average. So do not expect much higher target or higher profit, okay, because market may reverse or bounce from here. Okay, so if you short the market here, this will be your target. So this is the analysis and strategy that you can follow for Euro USD for 2nd April 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Uh, so that's it. Thank you so much. All the best. See you again. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Take care.